Here I am again, standing on the edge of forever. I thought surely by now I'd be clever, rolling naked in dollar signs. Here we go again, a dollar store crown and these feathers. I'm the joke of the town, ain't I, fellas? No one told me how to shine. I heard luck was a lady, so I dressed up in pearls. And it sucks to be waiting, you can't wait on the world. All the bridges I've burned and the taste that I lack don't mean nothing at all, 'cause the facts are the facts. That I'm goddamn beautiful. Yes, I'm goddamn beautiful. I'm a dope lunatic who's shouting at the walls. And when the night's not saving me, no matter what you say to me, it won't be my funeral. I'm so goddamn beautiful. In this dressing room, the makeup comes off in the mirror. It's best that I see this much clearer for what it is and who I am. I heard love was a lady, so I dressed up in pearls. And it sucks to be waiting, you can't wait on the world. All the bridges I've burned and the taste that I lack don't mean nothing at all, 'cause the facts are the facts. That I'm goddamn beautiful. Yes, I'm goddamn beautiful. I'm a dope lunatic who's shouting at the walls. And when the night's not saving me, no matter what you say to me, it won't be my funeral. I'm so goddamn I'm so goddamn beautiful. Yes, I'm goddamn beautiful. I'm a dope lunatic who's shouting at the walls. When the night's not saving me, no matter what you say to me, it won't be my funeral. 'Cause I'm so goddamn beautiful.
This dance is called Goddamn Beautiful, choreographed by Rushton. It's a 16-count, 4-wall, intermediate level, rolling count line dance. There are 2 restart and 4 tags in this dance. Section 1, starting with the left foot, forward with a swing. Right foot, twin curl step. Forward with a swing, whip, cross, side, behind. Big step to side and drag your right foot. Side, behind, quarter turn right stepping forward. Step left foot forward and make a spiral forward turn right. Run, run, run. Section 2. For rock, run back, right, left, right. Quarter turn left, stepping to side and sway to left, sway to right. Cross, quarter turn left, stepping back, back. Back, half turn left, stepping forward, forward. Forward and lift up your right foot. Back, quarter turn left, stepping to side, cross. You will come back to 12 o'clock. When connect to the next wall, do a quarter turn left, forward with a swing. 1. Now let me show you the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and R3. 4 and R5. 6 and R7. 8 and R. 1, 2 and R3. 4, 5 and R6 and R7. 8 and R. There are 4 tags and 2 restarts in this dance. The first tag happens at the end of wall 3. You will be facing 6 o'clock. For the tag, do a quarter turn left, forward, point, hold, back, side rock, recover. Count for the tag. 1 and R, 2 and R. Then continue dance wall 4 at 3 o'clock. The second tag happens on wall 6. You dance up only 2 counts, then do a tag, tag 2. Tag 2 is same as tag 1. Wall 6 you will be facing 9 o'clock. 1, 2 and R. These are 2 counts. Now do a tag 2. 1 and R, 2 and R. Then we start the dance wall 7 at 9 o'clock. 1. The third tag happens at the end of wall 8. Again, you will be facing back wall. Do quarter turn left for the tag. 1 and R, 2 and R. Again, facing 3 o'clock. Start the wall 9 at 3 o'clock. The last tag and restart happen wall 11. You will be facing 9 o'clock. Do 14 count, then do a tag 2, then restart the dance. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and R3. 4 and R5. 6 and R7. 8 and R. 1, 2 and R3. 4, 5 and R6 and R. These are 14 count. Now do a tag 2. Forward, point, hold, back, point, hold. Forward, step forward, pivot half turn left, step forward. Count for the tag 2. 1 and R, 2 and R3 and R4. Then restart wall 12 at 6 o'clock. 1. That's the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.